Two types of monkey, you only have one free?
Yes.
Another question. What are the two types called? I wanted to know if you'll be able to trace all the dead monkeys.
I'm going to do it. Yes.
How will you know? Assuming it dies in there.
Yes.
Hello. Hello, please, just a minute.
Oh, yeah, here she is.
Hello, just a minute, you know. I'm also American, yeah? Hello.
Hello.
Please, here is the monkey cemetery and where we bury the monkeys when they die. The tradition of burying the monkeys in their own cemetery started in the year 1972. Because previously we used to bury the monkeys wherever I think is appropriate. But in the year 1972, the elders in the village realized that the shrine said we should treat the monkeys like the way we treat our fellow humans. And we all do know that humans do have their own cemetery. So the first monkey buried there was buried in the year 1972. And the monkey priest who started this tradition was known as Nana Kweku Amponsan. So from our far left, you can see Kweku Amponsan. He was the first priest who started this tradition. When he died, the old lady, Fiema, took over. But after the old lady passed on, it became very difficult to have a monkey priest. Because first of all, for you to become a monkey priest, you must come from the Daro royal family. We do have one family in the village known as the Daro royal family. So if you are not from that family, you can never be a monkey priest. Sadly, I'm not from that family, so I can never be a monkey priest. You know. But secondly, for you to become a monkey priest, apart from coming from the Daro royal family, you must be chosen by the shrine. So for 10, 20 years, when the shrine decides not to choose anyone, they are not going to have a monkey priest. But the elders in the village will surely appoint someone from the Daro royal family just to bury the monkeys until we get a new priest. But for about 16 to 17 years now, we do have a new priest in the village known as the Nana Amuowa. So he's currently our monkey priest. And the rest are the monkeys. Within each group of the monkey family, we have 3 stages. We have the baby, the juvenile, and the adult. So whenever any of the monkey dies, the first thing considered is the stage. The second one is the status, whether the monkey is a male or female. The third one is the species, whether it's a mono or black and white colobus. And the last one is the day, the month, and the year the monkey was buried here. But since the year 2013 up to date, we do bury the monkeys here, but we no longer put on the signpost. So, any question?
The age of the monkey here, Afro-latinos?
She was 120 years. But you know, I'm a record breaker, so I'm going to be 150 years before I die.
Me too.
She was 120
That was a
years.
priestess. And what kind of monkey?
And one thing, and one thing about Fiema was that she was a virgin. She never married.
She never married?
Yeah. So she had a direct connection with the shrine. So whenever anything bad is coming to happen in the village, the shrine is able to communicate with the woman. But since she died, we never had anyone like her again. So now when anything is coming to happen, like any catastrophe, like any disaster, the shrine is able to connect it or contact with the black and white colobus. But you know, the black and white colobus, they can't come and tell us that this and this is going to happen. But they have a way of showing it. You know, first of all, I told you that the black and white colobus, they don't like humans.
Right.
So with them, they don't normally come into the village. But when anything is coming to happen, what makes us see is that for about 2 weeks, they cry continuously during the midnight to the next day. And on the last day, you see them in the village from morning to the evening, which is not normal.
Right.
So from there,
You know something.
something, or maybe most of the time too, when any of the elders is coming to die, that's what they do. So most of the time when they behave like that, the elders in the village begin to panic because they don't know who's going to die.
Yeah, they don't know who it's going to be.
Yeah.
It could be any one of them.
Yeah. But surely too, one of them is going to die. So any question?
Yes. You said that she didn't marry, but was she a virgin?
Yeah, she was a virgin.
She was
Throughout her life.
A lifetime of celibacy.
Well, here's the thing then.
Is because, did she go
ahead.
into the shrine early or something at a young age?
No. But you know, throughout her life, that was what, like she was closer to the shrine. But she wasn't a priestess then. But in some point of her life, when she became old, she was chosen before she died.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
Oh, so she was a priestess in her old age.
In her
Right.
old age.
So-
But when she was a child, you know, mostly when you come into the village, we do have some people who are connected to the shrine. And whenever there's a festival or something, they carry the shrine.
Okay.
She used to carry the shrine since she was a child.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
So she was consecrated
Yeah,
to the shrine
to the shrine
as a child.
as a child.
That was the reason that she was a virgin.
She was a virgin.
Thank you very
Okay,
much.
because you had to be a virgin too.
And that was the reason why
Okay.
the shrine chose her.
Okay.
Because the shrine will never choose a lady when she's not a virgin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's consecrated.
This shrine.
This shrine.
This shrine.
This shrine.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
This.
all
The Daro shrine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
So any question again? Hello, any question? Let me answer your question. Yeah. So can you ask it again?
Brother Rasoka, come on up and ask a question.
You'll be able to trace all the dead monkeys, assuming it dies, you know, in the deep.
You know, first of all, I told you that the forest is about 4.5 kilometers square and it's a reserve. So we don't farm, we don't hunt, and we don't cut trees. But we farm way beyond the reserve. And there's a lot of trails leading to to our various farms. So sometimes we may be going to your farm and we see one of the monkey dead on the trail. All you do is to come back and call the priest. And most of the time too, with the monkeys, when they are sick, they are being sacked from the group so that they cannot infect the other ones
By the other monkeys.
by the other monkeys. So you mostly see the sick ones in the village. And when they want to die, they die there. And also with the monkeys, whenever they want to die somewhere where we can see them and bury them. So they mostly die on the trails. But you know the forest is very big, so it's not all of them we see to bury. But due to the fact that the monkey priest pours in libation day in, day out, if you don't see the monkey, he has already blessed it already. Yeah. So any question again? Then thank you for coming. This is the end of the talk.
Lifespan of a monkey, you said.
And the lifespan ranges from 15 to 20 years, both species. But mostly when they get to their peak age, especially with the black and white colobus, they don't like living closer to the community. They mostly want to stay in the deeper side of the forest. Because that's where they mostly have their privacy. They don't want to be seen by humans. Wow.
Some big baboons and a lot of them.